Good evening everyone, I'm Gavia. So for today's video, I'll tackle the topic about the Mayon Volcano Natural Park. Mayon Volcano Natural Park is a protected area in the Philippines located in the Bicol region. It's also the largest island in the country. It covers an area of 5,775.7 hectares. Also, the Mayon volcano is the most active volcano in the Philippines and its adjacent surroundings. The volcano is renowned for having an almost a perfect cone. So, maunang daghan kay mga turista ang moadto sa Albay to see the Mayon volcano. Also, the Mayon volcano is the first protected as a national park in 1938 and it was reclassified as a natural park in 2000. For this proclamation number 292, established a Mayon Volcano National Park for the benefit and enjoyment of the people in the Philippines for parcel of the land suited in the municipality of Albay. So, sa kaning proclamation, upon the recommendation of Secretary of Agriculture of Commerce, si Manuel L. Quezon, iyahang revoke ang proclamation number 340 date on October 24, 1930 nga naka-state dito. So naka-state din is reserving a parcel of land suited in the province of Albay as a forest reserve known as Mayon Volcano. So sa proclamation ani, dili naka-state nga ang Mayon Volcano is isa pa ka-protected area nga wala pa'y nakasulod ng mga tao kay may tungod lagi ilahang gi-protect ilahang kanang mahadlok sila nga kabasinog ni mamutol dito or mag-abusar sa forest. Mao tong ilahang gitatag ni nga proclamation number 340. Pero sa pag-abot ni Manuel L. Quezon, iyahang kibali iyahang gitangtang ang kanang proclamation. Iyahang gilisdan og Section 1 Act number 399/15 titled Act for the Establishment of National Park declaring such park as game reserve and for other purposes. So kanina act iyahang gitatag para makita or makita sa mga tao kung unsa gid kanindot ang Mayon Volcano. Kung unsa gid ang mga forest, ang mga species nga makita sa mga tao dito amo nang gitatag niya for the enjoyment of the people. Kung gusto ka labi na kanang mga hilig og mga forest, pwede lang moadto dito sa Albay mo na iyahan ang gitatag nga act. Republic Act number 7586 or National Integrated Protected Area System or NIPAS Act was established to create, designate, classify, and administered by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources all the protected areas in the country for the present or future generation of the Filipino people. So, sa kaning nga act, sa kaning nga act, Republic Act number 7586, iyahang gitatag ni nga act kay para ang katong iyahang i-create nga 315 nga act nga i-open niya ang Mayon Volcano Natural Park para sa mga tao. Kailangan po ni government nga protektahan even though nga tourist spot na siya. Pero nga kanang moad ka ng natural park siya anytime, anywhere nga ang mga tao abusado di ay sa mga tanom, labi na nga kung makita sila mga endangered species dito, makita sila nindot, pang-ibton o pamutlon, biskin og nang gikuan lang sa dito, o mga lingaw, manang gusto ni Manuel Quezon nga protektahan ang forest. So, it states that it is hereby declared the policy of the state to secure for the Filipino people for the present future generation perpetual existence of all native plants and animals through the established for comprehensive system integrated protected areas within the classification of national park as provided Constitution. So para pod sa ilaha sa government na mas gusto nila nga makita pa sa umaabot nga generation or mga tao in future ang mga tanom na ilahang i-reserve within this area. It is hereby recognized that these areas are distinct in feature possess common ecological values that may be incorporated into a holistic plan. The administration of this area is possible only through cooperation among national government, local government, and concert private organizations. So under NIPAS, the Mayon Volcano Park is classified as renamed as Mayon Volcano Natural Park with the sign and proclamation of number 412 on November 21, 2000. So here's the objective, to be able to identify the future of Mayon Volcano Park, to be able to identify the threats, issues, and problems within Mayon Volcano Natural Park, and to be able to give possible solution of the problem of Mayon Volcano Natural Park. And that's all for my video. See the next video from my partner. Thank you. For the continuation of the Mayon Volcano Natural Park, flora found in Mayon Volcano Natural Park. The natural park is home to 156 floral species belonging to 36 families and 83 species of trees, including the single carp found in the area, locally known as bagwatsa or gisok-gisok. 1-year threatened species from the rare family Nepenthaceae, the pitcher plant. So, ang flora ani is motong bagwatsa or gisok-gisok, the pitcher plant. And then the fauna. Habitat for 104 species of land vertebrates, including 67 species of birds, 10 species of amphibians, and 24 species of reptiles, and 13 species of mammals. Of the 13 mammal species, 7 are endemic, of which 3 are listed as vulnerable. The Philippine brown deer, Philippine warty pig, Glant golden crowned flying fox. And then the bird fauna includes 37 endemic species, with 3 species listed in the IUCN Red List. So, mo siya ang the nearly threatened Luzon bleeding heart, vulnerable Philippine eagle owl, critically endangered Philippine cockatoo. So, the 10 amphibian fauna are all endemic frog species, with 4 listed in the IUCN Red List. The nearly threatened Luzon. So, motong sponge frog, Luzon forest ground frog, winter's forest frog, vulnerable banded pygmy tree frog. The Mayon Volcano Natural Park also houses 1 endemic butterfly, 7 endemic ticks, insects, and 9 endemic spiders in the registered insect and arachnid fauna. So, here are the threats and issues and problems. So, ang threat ani sa Mayon Volcano is motong on January 16 daw, it was reported that the volcano spewed lava nearly 2 kilometers with ash falling on villages within its vicinity. Ang iyang issue ani is Mayon Volcano of Albay Province in the Philippines has been erupting daw since January 13. So, 24,000 Filipinos daw ang nag-evacuate due to safety concerns. And then, ang problem nila is, some of the problems when Mayon Volcano erupted was lack of food, lack of water, and other equipment used in emergency breathing masks, goggles, and torches with extra battery. So, ang ginabuhat nila para ma-prevent ang mga turista or mga travelers para sa ilang mga activities like ecological tour, hiking Mayon Volcano, camping around the Mayon Volcano. So, ang ginabuhat ani is ang mga police gaset sila og mga checkpoints para sa mga turista around the volcano para ma-prevent daw ang mga turista and travelers from approaching. So, the management conservation strategic plan. So, first ani is katong authority to impose and collect resource users fees and provide dispositions. So, example ani is katong magputol og kahoy sa park. So, na sila authority nga mangolekta og fees labi na tong nagaputol nga walay mga permit. The second one is exact fines and fees for violation for this act, guidelines, rules, and regulation with Mayon Volcano Natural Park. Then third is promulgate its procedural rules which shall include discipline and removal of its officers and members. So, na sila yung mga rules and regulation, and then ga-include dito ang mga disiplina. Then, kung katong mga officers and members na wala kuan sa ilang rules and regulations, so na possibility nga matangtang sila. And then, provide necessary mechanism to ensure the harmonization, complementation, consultation, and participatory decision-making process among diverse stakeholders. So, when we say harmonization, motong ang panag-uyon sa ilang mga decision-making among the various stakeholders. And then, the linkages partner agencies, maotong NDRRMC, which means Natural Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, the DSWD, the National Police, the LGU. Thank you, and God bless us all.